Here we got American Reese's from the Hershey Company, one of the biggest chocolate companies in the US. There are 3 peanut butter cups inside. The total weight is 51 grams. This pack got bought in a supermarket in London, England. This chocolate's got manufactured in the United States, although they got bought in Europe. Let us open the pack and get them out. Reese's candy are very popular in the US, and perfect for Halloween treats. Here we can see all the peanut butter cups. We will take a closer look at one of the Reese's cups. Let us break it in 2 pieces. Like you can see, there is a peanut butter cream core, covered by a thick milk chocolate layer. It tastes creamy, with a strong and rich peanut butter taste. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.